Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1. A review of financial statements for compliance with Ind AS is beneficial not only for the company and the auditor but also for the investor, lender, employee or supplier of the company. In one of the orders, NFRA has identified customer also as a stakeholder. The review lets you know the degree of reliance you can place on the information in those financial statements. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. A QR code has been given on the slides. It is a humble request that if you find the videos on GAAP Advisors channel useful, kindly reflect on the value created and contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides towards the value created. In the previous two videos, we discussed how the statement of compliance with Ind AS disclosed by listed companies not in accordance with Ind AS 1 and Ind AS 27. In this video, we discuss another disclosure by the same company on the classification of assets and liabilities. The company has disclosed that all assets and liabilities have been classified as current or non-current as per the company's normal operating cycle and other criteria set out in Schedule 3 to the Companies Act 2013. The conditions specified for classification of assets and liabilities as current or non-current are same in Ind AS 1 and Schedule 3. However, Para 68 and 70 to 75 of Ind AS 1 provide further guidance on the classification which is not there in Schedule 3. Clause 2 of General Instructions for preparation of financial statements of a company required to comply with Ind AS of Division 2 and Division 3 of Schedule 3 states that the requirements of Ind AS prevails over that of Schedule 3. Therefore, a company cannot ignore the guidance given in Para 68 and Para 70 to 75 of Ind AS 1 while classifying assets and liabilities into current and non-current. The company has ignored that guidance. Further, Para 16 of Ind AS 1 states that an entity can make the explicit and unreserved statement of compliance with Ind AS only if all the requirements of Ind AS have been complied with. As the company has ignored the guidance in Ind AS 1 relating to a classification of assets and liabilities, the statement of compliance with Ind AS disclosed by the company is also not proper. Due to this, balance sheet and notes have been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com.